Mike Hughes here. I'm at Kung Titech Company, and as you can see, they have a lot of knife products here, scuba diving knives and also line cutters. You can see some of the gear they have here at the dive show. Something's pretty cool over there. But what I wanted to show you right now is that they have some prototypes of glow-in-the-dark knives, and what's neat about this is that they're asking all the professionals here while at DEMA about the different systems and how they fit in. Do they like the way the release system is? And since it's a prototype, they're gathering all that information now from all the professionals, which they will use in their later products when they're fully developed, and then they'll be on the market like some of these other items. And but these are nice because they glow in the dark. And if you want information about these products, or to see if they've gone from prototype to online production, you can go to chenKung.com, as you can see right here, and find out more information about the products. Thank you very much.